In this video, you will be learning about the pagination. What is pagination and how to use it? I will be covering all these concepts. So what is pagination? Pagination is a method of dividing web content into discrete pages, such as the content is presented in limited and digestible manner. We mainly see pagination like this, where we indicate the sequence of pages by giving numbers or some other characters on each block. Pagination is an important element in web designing. It is mainly seen or used when a website needs or contains heavy contents. Let's see it practically. I have defined a container class, and inside, as you can see, I have given a title. Okay, so now let me give another column here. I will say div class and column md12. I'll give nav tag inside, and inside this nav I'm gonna give few LIs. Saving this, let's check the browser. So you can see the LIs here. Now to give the pagination, there is a class provided called pagination which has its own layout. Let's apply that. Here in the UL, I will give class pagination. Let's check the browser again. So you can see the numbers are inline now. The pagination class is just the first step to give an orderly format to the elements. Pagination class has its own set of classes as well. Let's see them. I'll give here a class saying page link. Page link class is used to specify the link inside the pagination item. I will give this class to rest of the LIs as well. Let's save this and check the browser. Now there is a class called page item. Let me give it here. I'll say class page item, and page item class will wrap each element given inside pagination into a group. So you can see it's not much to see, but the borders are rounded now. You can also add icons too, like you may have seen icons for sliding into previous or next page. Let's try that. I will add 2 more LIs here. Now to add icon, I'll simply go to the official site of Bootstrap, and here you can see the icon label. I'll copy this and paste it here. Let's save this now and check the browser. So we have added the icons as well. There are few basic things which I also need to show, like if I say active here, it will make the link active like this. Or if I want to disable a link, I'll simply say disabled link like this. So you can see that this link is disabled. You can also give sizing to it like here. Let's say pagination LG. This will make the pagination size large, as you can see. And if I want it small, I'll simply say pagination SM. Lastly, I want this pagination justified center. So here I'll say justify content center. There you go. The pagination is centered now. So this is how you can use the pagination with Bootstrap.